Hey guys, it's Annie. Today we are going to do a fun holiday look. I just want to tell you really quickly the brushes that we're going to use this really fun holiday glam shimmery eye look that you can wear with any outfit that you have. It's not over the top. Really quickly, I want to go over the brushes that I'm going to use. I'm only going to use 4 brushes. The brushes that I'm going to use, I will list below. I actually will list everything below because I've already started my makeup, so I will list everything that I've used. So one of the brushes I'm going to use is my Sigma 38 brush, which is a crease blending brush. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics blending brush, which has no number on it. And then I'm going to use this IT Cosmetics brush that I use under my lash line and to kind of smoke it out again. It does not have a number on it. And then I'm also going to use my Sigma number E25, which is a blending brush, but I like to use it to apply some of my shadows. The 2 palettes that I'm going to use is my Norvina palette right there, and I'm going to use my Sultry palette from, both of these are from am I saying that right? Anastasia of Beverly Hills. We'll just say ABH. We'll say ABH and we'll just call it a day. First, I'm going to go in, I'm going to use base. And because I have slightly hooded eyes, I'm just kind of resting my eye like so. And applying my shadow just like that. It's my transition color, so it will just help blend in the other colors. So now I am gonna go in this color Twig right here from my Sultry. And I'm gonna apply that right on here. So this is a really pretty neutral eye look that, again, you can wear this with any outfit that you're gonna wear. Right in there. I want to blend this out. Now I want to go in and I want to use the color, I don't even know what that is, but it's a really dark brown. And this is in my Sultry palette. And I want to get that color right here, just on the corner here. And if you have hooded eyes, you're gonna have to stretch your eye out. This eye is a little bit more hooded, do you see that? So I have to really stretch it out. Otherwise, girl, you're not gonna see it. So just make a really funny face. What's a funny face? And now I'm gonna just blend that, keeping it right in that same area. I am going to mix a little bit of the Twig here, and I want to mix a little bit of this color here. I think it's Volatile. I'm going to just take a little bit of those 2 colors and flip it and put it right here. Just putting it right on my lower mobile lid. I'm going to wet it now that it's clean, see? And I am going to take ginger. See how that is. Just want to put it right over here. You have to do a little bit brighter of a color, so let me try Pearl. I need to brighten it up a little bit. Yeah, that's better. Right here. The shimmer. That's better. Now I'm going to go in and I am going to take this dark brown right here and I want to put it under my eyes. So I'm using this smoky eye brush and I'm putting it really lightly right under my lower lashes. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to wipe it off. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to really lightly blend it out. But I'm bringing it a little bit lower than I normally would. You see how I did that? I'm just lining there. And I'm going to waddle on. Then I'm going to, as I said, I'm going to stop from here. I got to do my brows. I'm going to apply my lashes. Really quickly though, let me do my lipstick. So I'm going to do my Pillow Talk. And I am going to use the City Lips, and this is in Pink Nude. Let me get to do the rest of my makeup, do my hair, and I will be right back. But that is it, guys. This is my little, I'll put my eyes down so you can see my little shimmery look for the holidays. I just think it's a fun thing to do. You know I love doing shimmer all the time, but if you don't, then just do it. Do it for fun on the holidays. Do it for Christmas, Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve, whatever. Just have fun with it. This is a look that you can wear any outfit with, and it's just fun to do. And I like to keep a little bit of a nude lipstick because I don't like my lips, so I like to keep it real neutral, you know what I'm saying? And then I popped on my false lashes that I think really, really bring my eyes out even more. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up, share my videos. That helps my channel grow. And I see you guys have been sharing, and I deeply, 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 deeply appreciate it. So you can share it on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, wherever. Just share it. It means so much to me, helps my channel, and I thank you guys so much. And that is it. Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye.